Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's the 2nd of the month, so that means it's time for a new sheet load of cards. If you're new to my channel and new to SheetLoad, it is a printable that Call Me Crafty Al puts out every month, and it's free as long as you are a subscriber to her channel. It'll give you a sketch and supply list. This month is a special mini slimline tent topper card. Oh my goodness, so much fun. It'll tell you the supplies you need, the sketch that is at full size, so like real size, so like you can put your image there to make sure that it fits or so on. How many cards it makes? This month it makes 12. The dimensions if you just want to make a single card. Other ways to use it, a special note, like if there's anything that needs to be said about it. Membership to her channel, there's a bonus this month, and then the cutting guide, and it's very easy to follow along. So again, this month is a special mini slimline tent topper card. I really, at first I was like, oh, what am I going to do with this? I had so many possibilities. I absolutely love what I created. Can't wait to share. Anyways, so let's show you what I used. I did use this the Greeting Farm Sparkle Kit. I've had it for quite a while and I don't know that I've ever used it, and I was excited to find that it had 12 images in it. So I colored up 12 little sparkle kit from the Greeting Farms. There's mermaids and fairies, and they're all of the beans. If you know the Greeting Farm, they have a character called a bean. It's just a cute little character. Anyways, and I used a Spots and Dots Cuddlebug embossing folder, and I broke out the Basic Gray out of print paper pad. I love Basic Gray. I'm still so sad that they are no longer around, but I am trying to use some of my paper pads up that I have from them. I also wanted to talk about this. I just got these Simon Says Stamps micro dot sheets, and I think I am in love. I always fight to do like intricate die cuts to get them onto the paper, and I usually make a mess. There's glue everywhere, or there's not enough glue. These work so well. You just peel it back, you put your die cut there, you put it back on, and you rub it, and then you pick it up and it is ready to go. I went over like the same strip a couple different times with the with die cuts, and it worked fabulously. So these are my favoriteest new things for die cuts. I bet it would also work with vellum. I'll have to try that next. Everything that I can find will be in the description box below. A lot of this is retired stuff, but that's okay too. So on to my cards, and each card is different, so we'll probably take a little bit longer this time. So this is one of them. Again, it's the mini slimline. It's a tent topper. One thing when you're putting it together, I always get out an envelope so that I make sure that I put this top on right and so that it fits in there. And there's the die cuts that I use, that Hello from Simon Says Stamp. I just put that the craft one on those sheets, burnished it a little bit, pulled it, and it worked like a charm. And then I did decorate the inside. So super fun and super cute. One thing that I was working on when I did color these images up is I'm really trying to learn different skin tones, getting more contrast, and so on. I colored with Copic markers and Prismacolor pencils and Arteza, I think they're called Everblend markers, and also Crayola markers. So it's a wide variety, but I'm pleased with the results. So there's one, and there's the next one. So cute. And this one. And this one. I did try to keep like some of the same colors for each image so that it would all be like a cohesive set. And there's that one. And then this little cutie, aren't they just so adorable? I didn't add any extra embellishments because I thought that it just was like fine on its own. And some of them were kind of busier patterns when you paired them together, so I didn't want to add anything else. And I thought about adding like some glitter or something, but I really just liked the way that it was, so I didn't. There's the next one. These are just, I love how they turned out. That one. This is one I'm very proud of. It's one of the first times I feel I am really happy with a darker skin tone. That has been a struggle to not have it look splotchy or anything, so I'm really proud with that. Of course, I didn't take the time to write down what I did, so I'll have to try to recreate it. But I love how she turned out. And then this one I went really light, and I like that, but I still got some contrast. And then the last one. So there are my 12 cards for the September 2022 SheetLoad of Cards. I can't even begin to tell you how much fun I had with these. I love how they turned out. And I know that you're going to have fun with this sheet load too. All the information is in the description box as to Call Me Crafty Owl's original debut video, so you can get your own sheet load. Also, there is the collab team, and you can just click the hashtag in my title, or it's in the description box, and it'll bring up everybody's video. It's also over on Instagram. I know we're going to see a lot of neat things with this sheet load. It's super fun, and I did notice, even I was thinking, just even without the tint topper, this card, this is just a fun size. I thought it might be fun to do like a little note card set with that. So many creativity ideas running through my brain, and all thanks to Crafty Owl for kickstarting it. And I hope you like my cards this month. Make sure you hop around and see everybody else's. And until my next video, have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by.